S20 Plus. Here we go. Beautiful. Got the 128GB model, which is I think the base model for the Plus edition at least. So we're going to crack open the seal with a very thick knife. I regret this. Okay. Here we go. Moment of truth. Gotta get the angle right. Oh, look at that. Just look at that. Oh. Just, wow. It's so nice. Alright. Let's lift it out of the case. Front, very clean. Side, very clean. The back, oh look at that. So I got the grey because I thought black was a bit too much. And plus grey was the only one they had in stock. But, nonetheless, look at that. I'm gonna have fun with this. Alrighty, let's get into the rest of the accessories. Got a piece of cardboard. That. Oh look, charging brick. The last. Type C to Type C. That's different. Okay, cool. I just hope it's compatible with my wireless charger here. Which isn't Type C to Type C, but I think I could still power it. I don't know. Samsung, they probably found a way to get it compatible. This, what are these? Oh, this is the cable. And cable? Question mark. SIM card revealing tray thing. SIM card tray revealing tool. That's all the stuff. Okay, let's get into, first of all, this. It's no. This cable is braided. I think these are the earbuds. No, it's not. Oh, actually, I don't know what these are. Oh, yep, they're the earbuds. Not opening them because I don't need them. Just gonna leave them in here. This I do need. Let's see. Let's get it open then. If it's possible, I don't know. Yeah, it is possible. We made it possible, guys. We did it. I could have just done this. Alright. Let's close that back up. Put it back in the box. Okay. Type C to Type C cable. It's very short. Let me just. Very springy. Yeah, it's quite short. Yeah, okay. Charging brick. Okay. Well, the last things left to do is to power it on after we get the protective seal off. We have to get a good shot of this. It's important to do so. Oh. You just can't go wrong with that. Well, you actually can, but... anything on the screen? Nothing on the screen. Alrighty. So we're going to power it on now. Oh my god, look at that beauty. Powered by Android. Yep. An upgrade from an S8 Plus. That's for sure. And it doesn't have a massive crack in the corner like mine. And it probably won't be awfully slow like mine. Alright. So I'm going to get this set up and I'll come back, I suppose. Checking for updates. installing updates. The display's pretty bright. Alrighty. It's actually quite a heavy phone. Whew. Chonky. I did not just say that.